In this video, I want to show you how you can make up to 17,000 to 22,000 naira trading dollar arbitrage. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing here? If you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So in this video, I want to show you how I do my dollar arbitrage and how I make enough money. As you can see here, this is how I load and how I directly trade it along with Binance. So the two we're going to use today is called number one, the advanced cash, and the second one is the Binance. So if you are not register for your Binance account, I think I urge you right now that you should register for your Binance account and verify it. The link is inside the description below. You can use my link to register, then both of us can get a bonus. So first thing you need to do is to open an advanced cash and verify it. For this you need your ID card, and this can be national ID card and need voters card. So if you are already registered for that the paper national ID card, then I urge you should go to Play Store and download this NIMC. You can download the NIMC app and print it, and it will look someone. So as you can see here, I think I have some. I can't show you because someone can just screenshot it and do it. So you can get it with your premium slip, like it look like a real slip, as you can see right there. So you can use it to verify your any account, maybe on Binance or what do you call it, or an advanced cash. So the second one is you need an ATM. It can be a Visa or MasterCard. So both one are preferable. Just make sure you register and verify your account. So after you verify your account, right here you can use it on phone, on PC. So the next thing you want to do is to deposit fund. Okay, next thing you want to do is to deposit fund. So for this I'm just going to, so let me just going to use $10 here if it's going to go, because I've already exit the monthly limit on this card. So I'll just try this if it does go, but it does normally does with the Visa. So let me get my card and then get back to you. So if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So as you can see here, I've proceeded and I want to enter my card, my OTP now. So I'll just input my OTP and proceed. So I doubt this, maybe they will collect this card. So I think I doubt it because I've already reached my limit. So for the sake of this tutorial, I just want to proceed that you have nothing to fear of. Okay, so then click on submit. Let's see how it does go. You see, okay, please you enter your code. I think they send another one. So 32 to 55 553. So let's see. I don't think so. So its transfer error cannot be completed. So I think I've exceeded the transfer limit. So let me see, after you have completed your account, it will show somewhere here. So it will show somewhere here. So the next thing you need to do is to click on buy crypto. So for you to buy crypto, you have to link your account. So it will show Binance here. Then the thing is, log your account in your browser and then verify your account. It will directly link to your Binance account. There is no need that you should just you have to send money to specific something. No. All the transaction will be made here. So like I thought that we note. Let me show you total transaction. So this is $80. So let's assume that, well, okay, as you can see here, I load the $10, $15, and I purchase and buy crypto on Binance. As you can see here, it's equivalent $25 is equal to $24.5 with the fee. So as you can see here too, $80 is equal to 78 minus the fee. So So the next thing you need to do is to go to buy crypto. So after you buy crypto and you have already linked your Binance account with this is so easy. We just after you link it, click on the link. It will show in your browser that you should input some details, then it will already be linked. That is easy to do. So the next thing you want to do is to buy USDT. Okay, buy USDT. Buy USDT again. Don't buy other coin. Yeah, buy USDT. So let's talk. We want to buy assuming we load $100 and want to buy USDT of $100. So we get 98. Okay, so you can proceed on buy, then everything will be set. So the next thing you want to do now is to go on markets on your, if you are using PC, then go to your market. So if you are using a phone, then you know that you can go directly to P2P on your mobile phone. So next thing, click on P2P trading. So after the P2P has sent to your Binance account, okay, it will show on your Binance account. So the next thing you want to do is to click on Nigeria, so Naira NGN. So okay, Nigerian Naira. So and then you want to unmark this only show merchant ad. If you already what how to sell on Binance using P2P platform, then I think you should watch my previous videos where I show how I sell using P2P on mobile phone. So or else you can just watch it. So let me say we want to sell $100, and you can see at the rate of 150,000 naira and see who is in that rate, and then you can proceed on selling that person. So click on buy, sell, click on sell USDT, and then we can proceed with everything. So everything will be sent to your account. At least you can get 6,000 to 7,000 naira per $100 that you sell. So that is so crazy. So let me just see. As you can see here, this is yesterday, one of the arbitrage I did yesterday, and it was sent to me directly. Let's just check the details. So this is here, and one of the arbitrage I done yesterday, convert to USDT yesterday. So let me just click on it. I think I saw something here. So this is total amount, something I saw yesterday, day before yesterday. So as you can see here, so if you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So videos, if this is your first time watching my video on this YouTube channel, and there might be a chance that you won't see me again or won't see each other again. So why you to subscribe to my channel, on the notification bell, because you don't want to miss another episode. So if you have any question, you can just let me know in the description below. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.